Good morning, students. Today we will learn about pronouns. We have already done nouns. Nouns are the names of persons, places or things. Let's now learn about pronouns. A pronoun is a word that replaces or refers to a noun. Let's understand by taking this example. Atul is a good boy. Atul loves to study. Atul is good at skating. Here, look at Atul. We can also say he is a good boy. He loves to study. He is good at skating. Here, the word he takes the place of Atul and is called pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. Pronouns are of 8 kinds. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, relative pronouns, and last, indefinite pronouns. Let's learn about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used in a sentence to refer to the person who is speaking, the persons spoken to, or the person or thing one is talking about. Personal pronouns stand for 3 persons. First persons. First persons are the person who is speaking. I, me, us, we. Let's do with example. This car belongs to us. Us is here personal pronoun. We shall stand by the truth. We is a personal pronoun as we are talking about us. Second person. Second person is you, thou, thee. For example, why are you crying? Don't worry. You are allowed to attend the party. It is to thee that our debt of gratitude. You, thou, thee are known as second persons. Second persons are the persons spoken to. Third person. Third persons are he, she, it, they, them, him, her. Third persons are the persons about whom we are talking. For example, they went to the museum. He agreed to look after the baby. Here they and he. These are third persons as we are talking about them. Now, personal pronouns also act as subject or object of the sentence. The subjective pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, they, what, who. These act as subjects. For example, he plays the guitar. We are going to home. Here he and we. These are known as subjective pronouns as here these words are acting as a subject. The objective pronouns. The objective pronouns are me, him, her, it, us, you, them, whom. These are the pronouns that act as the objects. For example, I am doing this for you. Rahul was there for us. Here you and us. These words are acting as a subject. So these are known as objective pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Another kind of pronouns are possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession of a noun. For example, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. The prize will be his. This cat is mine. This place is theirs. In these examples, his, mine, theirs, it represents ownership, means the possession. So these are known as possessive pronouns. Let's come to another type, demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point out people or object. For example, this, that, these, those, such. This cannot go on. That was beautiful. These are ugly. Those are lovely. In these sentences, this, that, these, those, these point out about people or objects. So these are known as demonstrative pronouns. There is one note for you. Always remember this and that. These words are used to talk about the things that are near in space or in time. These and those are used to talk about the things that are farther away in space or in times. Means this and these are used for the things which are near to us, and these and those are used for the things which are far away from us. Next kind is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. For example, who, whom, which, what, whoever, whatever, whichever, whomever. Who is your father? Whom did you speak to? Which bag did you buy? What are my options? These are the examples of interrogative pronouns. There is one thing also for remembering to you, who and whom. These are used to talk about people. Which and what are used to talk about animals and things.